Glam Decor is an interior design style that uses a lot of extravagant reflective pieces. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I'm decorating my living room in the glam style. And for Glam Decor, always remember to clean and use the best cleaner. I have been looking for a really nice cleaner and I found the sprayway cleaner, which I am obsessed about. Like, why did you guys not tell me about this? Anyway, hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Dede, the mom, the boss. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing amazing because I am doing great. Today's video is in collaboration with my amazing friend here on YouTube, Leah from A Touch of Glam. Leah is an amazing soul. Her channel is all about glam, and her home is glamorously glam. She does a lot of makeovers. She's just making over her home with the help of her husband, who is the brain behind so many of her makeovers. Oh my God, I just love her and her family and all that they've been up to on her channel. You don't want to miss Leah's channel because I'm going to link it down below. Today we are decorating our homes extreme glam home decor, and Leah challenged me to this and I am excited to show you guys what we got. So if you've not checked her out, her link is going to be down in the description box below. Do well to check her out. Now let's get going. So we'll be starting with the coffee table, and I put together this beautiful floral arrangement, which I'm so happy because I like how it turned out. And I'm going in with these crystals to build up a candle holder, which I have in mind that I couldn't purchase, but I decided to build my own candle holder mix, which I also love because it has like this rainbow shine glamorous feel to it. And yes, I'm going with this glamorous tray as well, and this glamorous tray again, and some more crystal. So usually I mix a lot of golds and silver and glass, but in this one I try to limit the gold just to have a more, reflective effect. How did I do? You guys tell me, and if you're liking it so far, please give me a thumbs up. I would like to see it. I want to see you give me that big thumbs up, like click on that like button because it helps the channel grow. Yes, so I use this for pillows, which I got a while back from Ross. Everything I'm going to use here is pretty much something I've had for a while, but I think I have a few new pieces and I'm going to tell you guys at the end where I got everything from. So yeah, this is what we're having so far, and I am loving all the fur in the living room so far. So you guys tell me what you think down below. So I got these vases a while back as well, like literally about 2 years ago when we just moved here, and I've been loving them. They've been serving their purpose, and oh my God, I'm still obsessing about these vases. They've been just hiding some spots in the house, but bringing them out now to decorate for this glamorous look just made me realize how much I missed them. So let me use this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you. If you're coming from Leah's channel, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for joining in, and I hope you are here to stay. On this channel, I do a lot of home decor. I am a mom, I'm a wife, I'm a nurse. I just do everything interior decor, and if you like stuff like this, please do well to hit that subscribe button and of course join the family. You're very welcome, guys. I'm so excited to have you guys here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, oh my God, you guys know I heart you, right? I love you. Thank you so much for your constant support. I just heart you every day of my life, and I thank God for you. So if you're enjoying this video so far and you're not subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe and hit that like button and comment glamorous down below. I would love to see it. I just really appreciate each and every one of you for always stopping by and supporting your girl. Did I ever really care? I don't think I did. When I'm sleeping with someone So this is what the coffee table is, guys. I hope you like it. The Lazy Susan tray, I think I got it from Ross like years ago, and everything else is either from Ross or Home Goods. Some of them I don't remember where I got them from, but if you go to either Ross or Home Goods, I promise you, you're going to see them. I love this setting, guys. Tell me what you think about this, because I think I am in love. So guys, yeah, this is what we have so far. And my florals, all of these flowers were gotten from, I think I got them from Hobby Lobby last year, and I just put them together. These were gotten for Valentine's, but I still use them for spring because, you know, why not? Why not? That's so cute, right? And all these pillows were gotten from Ross. You know what? The fur pillow in the middle was gotten from Home Goods, but the rest of them were gotten from Ross. I'm a Ross girl, and I search. When I go to Ross, I pretty much search a lot. So yeah, this fur throw blanket as well was gotten from Ross a while back. So I will just store and let you guys enjoy every single piece. This glass remote holder I got from, I think I got them from Ross as well. And this Glamorous vase was given to me by a sister-in-law who just gifted that to me about 5 years ago. 5 or 4, about 4 years ago, when she came visiting, and I really love it. I'm still using it. It's going strong. These florals were gotten from Hobby Lobby. So let me leave you guys just store and enjoy and ask me all your questions.
Been walking down the street so many times my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know.
So if you've not checked Leah's channel out yet, please do well to check her channel out. Tell her something nice, leave her a beautiful comment, tell her I sent you. I would love to see your beautiful comment. And if you've not dropped me a beautiful comment yet, what are you waiting for? Come on, tell me something nice. I would love to see your beautiful comment down below. This is so exciting, and I'm so humbled to have you here. Thank you guys so much, and keep touring.
Than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh.
So guys, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I really love and appreciate you, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my